Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash your hands and set the phone face up under a bright lamp so you can see dust. Wipe the screen with the alcohol pad and follow with the microfiber cloth to remove oils. This improves adhesion. Once done, use the dust sticker or a piece of tape to lift any remaining particles. Do this slowly because even a tiny speck will cause bubbles. Finally, hold the protector above the screen and check alignment against the camera and edges before proceeding. Now position the protector with one edge aligned to the top or camera cutout. You should see the phone's outline and know exactly where it sits. Peel the backing a little and avoid touching the adhesive. Your oils cause permanent marks. Lower the protector slowly from the aligned edge, using your other hand to keep it parallel. Once it contacts the screen, press the center so it sticks, and then use a firm card to push air outward toward the edges. This forces out bubbles and ensures even adhesion. Finish by peeling any top protective film and pressing all edges firmly to seal the adhesive. This prevents lifting later. If you spot a speck of dust, don't panic. Lift the protector just enough, use tape to pick the dust off the screen, then realign and set it down again. For air bubbles, use the card to push them toward the nearest edge. Tiny bubbles often disappear within 24 to 48 hours as the adhesive settles. If a bubble persists, repeat the lift and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.